renting or buying a house? It's the big question on everyone's mind. Let's break it down to see what's right for you. When you buy, you're building ownership. It's a long-term asset that often grows in value over time. You have the freedom to renovate and a strong sense of stability. No landlord can tell you to leave. But the downsides are the high upfront costs, like down payments and taxes, plus you're responsible for all repairs. On the other hand, renting offers amazing flexibility. Need to move for a job? No problem. The initial cost is much lower, and you won't have to worry about fixing a leaky roof that's the landlord's job. Thick edge? Your rent money doesn't build equity, and you have less control over your space. So, how do you decide? If you plan to stay put for over 5 years and have stable savings, buying might be your best bet. If you value flexibility or are still building your finances, renting is a smart choice. I hope this helps you on your journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.